There's the PX3 machine, the equipment behind the video screen. There's the injector where the balls come down. There's the plastic tubing. And here's the ball barrel. The ball barrel is very durable. It's a steel drum, basically. It holds 225 baseballs or 160 softballs. The machine itself has 3 independent wheels, and each has a motor of their own, which are very easy accessible. With just a couple screws, you can get right in there. Down below the machine is the circuit board, which Dave, our tech, is going to show you what it does. And this is basically the brains of the whole thing. And it's really accessible just by a couple screws, and with one turn you can get to it, and then there's all the wires to it. If something happens where we can just replace the board if we had to. So basically the space it takes up is the metal piping is about 6 feet long by 8.5 feet wide. Here's a video of our projector and the projector cover. So the cover obviously protects the projector from getting hit by balls. This normally sits about 15 feet in front of the video screen. When you guys need the cage for something else, you can just literally pick this up and move it, get it out of the way. Here is the video screen. It's not on right now, but we will get it on later. The screen is 103 inches long by 78 inches high. That's including the piping. So it's about 6.5 by 8.5 feet. This is our remote kiosk. This basically can be placed anywhere you want it to be. Normally people like to put it near the batter or the coach. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of the system here. I'm going to hit the start button. Here you see you have different levels of competition that you can use. You have 6 to 8 year olds, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, all the way up to high school, college, professional. So let's just, for fun now, just pick the high school. Then I hit continue. Now I can pick lefty or righty batter. Let's go righty batter and hit continue. So here's where you have all your different options. See all the different pitches here: fastball, slurve, slider, two-seam, curveball, splitter, sinker, change, curve. You can pick if you want to wind up or a stretch. You can pick the speeds. It goes in 2 mile an hour increments. So let's just pick it at 80 miles an hour there. So now what I can do is we can do a few different things now. We can just have it throw a pitch. We can repeat a pitch. We can do sequences. We can do the automatic mode. Watch this. You can move the location of the pitch anywhere you want. Right now we're just going to throw a fastball. So we have fastball blinking there. We have it going right down the center of the plate. 80 miles an hour. So we're going to hit set, which locks it in. The system's ready to go. So I'm going to throw a pitch. Here it comes. Right down the middle. Now let's go from a fastball to a curveball. Show you how we change pitches there. Blinking curveball. We have a speed of 68 miles an hour. So that's fine. We're going to hit the set button to lock it in. Now the system quickly changed speeds and the pitch head changed position. Now we can just throw the pitch. Here's the pitch. The wind up. Oh, nice. I want to show you how to do pitch sequences, which is a pretty cool thing here. You can set any kind of pitch you want, any amount of pitches you want, any speed you want, location, lefty, righty batter, and once you put it into the system, it's in there for good, and you can always recall it at the touch of a button. So this is good for coaches if they want to mimic at bats or innings. Hit the automatic mode button. Now we already have some sequences that are already preset into the system. You can build your own, and I'll show you how to do that really quickly later. But for now, let's just hit this one here, which is fastball, curveball, slurve. Hit continue, and now the system's going to the right speed. Maintenance for the system is 600,000 pitches is before you should probably start thinking about changing the wheels. The actual projector is 5,000 hours of usage, so, and also keep the filter clean on the projector as much as you can. When the video screen gets a little scuffed up from balls over the months and months and months, we just tell people to flip the screen to the other side so they have a brand new screen again. Other than that, just keep the dust off the machine as best you can, and that's it. So you should have pretty much a maintenance-free system for a long, long time.